Hello guys, welcome to Same Tech Hub. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to earn free Initia tokens on Binance. So guys, Binance made a new announcement on their Telegram page that they will be doing a launch pool for Initia token. And in this video, I will show you guys how to partake in this launch pool and earn some of these free Initia tokens called the INIT. Okay, so let's check their Telegram page. They posted this. There you can see this is Binance announcement, yes, and they posted this today. You can see today, yes, they posted introducing Initia INIT on Binance LaunchPool. Okay, so you can farm INIT by locking BNB, FDUSD, and USDC. Okay, so you can click on this link to read more. Okay, so introducing the INIT token on Binance. Okay, where you can perform in this launch pool and earn free INIT token. Okay, so Binance is excited to announce the 68th project on Binance LaunchPool. That is called the Initia or the INIT. Okay, an L1 blockchain that unites app chains to unlock their full value through interwoven infrastructure and aligned economics. Okay, you can lock your BNB or your FDUSD for 6 days and you'll be earning this INIT token. Okay, so if you're interested, let me take you to Binance to show you guys how to do this. Okay, so I will just go to my Binance account and open. You can see this is my Binance account and this is the dashboard. Okay, you can see they have a banner over here. This INIT LaunchPool. This is warming up, 5 hours remaining. Okay, so what you have to do is to click on this to check it out. Okay, so this is the LaunchPool and you can earn or receive free token, free airdrop at no extra cost. Okay, so on Binance LaunchPool, you can just stick your FDUSD or BNB or USDC to participate in the launch pool and you earn free token. Okay, so to participate, you need to click on this participate button. Okay, so you click on that and this will appear. So you just need to select the crypto you want to use to participate, whether you want to use the BNB, the FDUSD, or the USDC. Okay, so you can also click on this INIT token to read more. Okay, you can scroll down and click on pool details and you see a lot of details. Okay, so you can see with the BNB, 843 people have participated on the BNB pool. Okay, using the BNB, they just participate with BNB. Okay, and on the FDUSD, you can see 7,000 people have staked the FDUSD to participate. Okay, on the USDC, to 16,000 people have participated using the USDC. Okay, they have locked their USDC to earn free INIT token. So you can also click on this project summary to read more. Okay, you can either read from their website or you can read from their white paper, or you can also do other research. Okay, so since I have some token in my account, you can see I have USDC in my account. I will convert them to either BNB or FDUSD or USDC. Okay, so that I use it to participate in the launch pool. Okay, so what I have to do is to click on this trade button, then click on this 2 and select the USDC. Okay, so I will just type USDC and select the USDC. Then I will enter the amount I want to convert. Okay, so I want to convert all this money to USDC, and this is the amount I will get in USDC. Okay, so I have converted my USDT to USDC so that I can participate in the launch pool. Okay, so now let me check. The USDT has changed to USDC. Okay, you can see it over here. Okay, so to participate, you just need to click on this home button, then you click on this launch pool banner over here. So you click on this participate, and since we have converted our money to the USDC, I will click on this USDC. Then I will enter the amount I want to use to stake. Okay, so in this case, I want to use all the money to stake to earn this free INIT token. So I'll click on this max, then click on confirm. Okay, I'll click on this confirm button to confirm. You can see I've successfully participated and airdrop token will be accumulated hourly. Okay, so every hour I will earn this free INIT token. Okay, so this is how you can stake some of your BNB, FDUSD, or USDC to participate in this INIT launch pool. And if this video helped you to earn free INIT token from Binance LaunchPool, then please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.